Hi, I'm Mike Morton. I'm the Vice President of Microsoft for Dynamics 365 Business Central. For those not familiar with Business Central, it is Microsoft's offering for small and mid-sized businesses, providing an all-in-one solution for your finances, your sales, your operations, your supply chain, your service, etc. Really a great solution for running businesses in a pretty wide range. Business Central's had tremendous momentum. We're excited to announce that we have over 30,000 customers running Business Central online in the cloud around the world. This includes over 4,800 apps on App Stores. A great thing about Business Central is not just all the great capabilities that we deliver out of the box, but the incredible ecosystem. They're vertical solutions for pretty much every industry, from agriculture to banking to legal to manufacturing to construction. There's horizontal solutions for connecting to pretty much anything, whether it be shipping services, tax, payroll, banks, etc. And then we have tremendous global support. Business Central is available in 160 countries, so pretty much wherever you're watching this, there's likely not just Business Central availability, but localization where it has the regulatory features, the customizations, the compliance, the things that you need to run and operate in your geography. The team's been working really hard on Business Central, and in 2023 Wave 2, we think it's one of the best waves ever. We've invested a lot in core finance and supply chain. In terms of one of our big bets is multi-company support. You can now support multiple companies across environments. This includes master data management. It includes reconciling accounts or reconciling transactions across multiple companies, really broadening the scope and possibilities you can do with Business Central. We've invested a lot in supply chain, things around warehouse management, configuring your warehouse, how you manage your inventory. We've invested in reporting, e-documents, regulatory capabilities. Again, big investments in core functionality. AI and collaboration, this is a huge part of our vision and our spirit. I'll go ahead and show you a few demos of that coming up in a couple of minutes. Ease and use. For us, it's not just having the capabilities, but ensuring that customers can discover them, use them, and be efficient. The team is always investing in usability, ensuring that everything is nice and easy to discover, very fast. And we hope that you like some of the improvements we've done in this space. And again, on geographies, you can see the additional countries or availability that we have, again, ensuring that we're a global and worldwide product. And lastly, hopefully you don't really notice this, but in the back end, we invest a lot in being a world-class service. We want to make sure that Business Central Online is always fast, reliable, secure, scalable, compliant. We want you to be focused on your business, on your needs, on your customers, and let Microsoft focus on ensuring we run a service, we do it efficiently, and we do it reliably. I'm going to show a demo here of marketing text. So let's say you're a company that has a bunch of items or things in a catalog, and you want to go ahead and sell that online, potentially in e-commerce. And here we're showing Microsoft Dynamics Copilot. And it's taking the attributes of your item, for example, the name of the item, the size, the weight, the dimensions, the color, the materials, and actually suggesting marketing text that you can do. And it's pretty phenomenal using large language models or Microsoft Copilot. You can go into the text and you can say, hey, here's how I want it to be longer or shorter or this format. Maybe I want to emphasize sustainability or different elements around my brand. And of course, a key principle is that it's all in control of the user. So the user can actually go in, they can customize, they can make changes. And so it's not, it's auto-suggest, not sort of, auto-complete. And so I can go and make changes here, make something bold, add additional text, click keep it, and now I'm ready to actually sell this item online. Bank account reconciliation. Nobody loves to spend lots of time going through items in one ledger and bank account statements and matching those up. We've made this much easier. Now you can just import a file from your bank, have that automatically reconcile transactions. But this time with Copilot, the reconciliation is highly intelligent. We're not just matching on date and amount. We can actually take disparate transactions. Let's say you have multiple payments in your bank and one thing in your ledger inside Business Central. Copilot can actually help match those up, making that easier for the user to not have to do that manually. Again, the user's in control, so they can review how Copilot matched them up, say keep it, and have that actually stored correctly and be reconciled. In some cases, we might not be able to match it up because then maybe you have an item that's in your bank account that wasn't actually in the ledger in the first place. Here we want to have Copilot help you even further by analyzing that item, not suggesting that you actually add it to your ledger, and even going further and saying you should add it to this specific account based on the description and the amount of that item. And so we're really trying to help you through that entire process from getting your data, doing the reconciliation, if items aren't in your ledger, putting them in the right place, really having you try to run your business more efficiently and again, concentrate on what's most important to you, which is your customers and having success in your business. For many folks, analytics and reporting is a huge part of what they're doing, and we know folks love Excel. And so we've created a lot of great Excel report layouts where you can view your data in Excel, and we've out of the box taken many of the most common finance and supply chain scenarios and build these sort of beautiful Excel layouts. When you do that, the data will come up in Excel. You'll be able to see it, and you'll actually see that it's in a format that's not just pretty, but the right logical way to work in Excel. So we'll have multiple sheets. If you have data across multiple different tables, we'll create the right pivot tables and slicers so you can analyze it. And of course, you have the full power of Excel to do filtering and what ifs and all the things that you can do inside that great product. And what's really most valuable is that these layouts only need to be done once or even out of the box. And so when your data is updated, you just simply click refresh, and now your great reports and layouts are updated with the latest data from Business Central. We've also continued to invest in our analysis view, which we released in the previous wave. This is ad hoc analysis, so end users without any code or customization can just go in and do great things like group by and totals, sum, choose what fields show up in a column, how they're sorted and filtered. These now work against queries and not just lists, so you can have more complex queries that span multiple tables that you're looking at. And we've also done work to really ensure incredible performance and scale. You can have hundreds of thousands of items, and we'll make sure that works fast and snappy, whether that data is on the server and running inside your client. As an end user, you just use it and have confidence that I can now review and analyze even the largest of tables inside of Business Central. I hope you enjoyed these few seconds of sort of sneak previews of capabilities. But if you want to learn more, we have this great launch event, the Business Central launch event. You can get to it at ak.ms/BCLE. I believe we have around 15 sessions where we deep dive into all of these capabilities, learn much more about the details, learn much more about the investments that we have in the product. I want to thank you for your time, and thank you very much.